Winter is truly bidding farewell. Perhaps a grand ceremony would better mark this beginning in our minds. Therefore, as the warming air meets the cold and austere earth, rain falls, heralding the blossoming of a new season. No one can grow alone. The rainwater transforms everything. Spring rains are not fierce. They are clear, pure, gentle, and persistent, never skipping a single pause. The earth inhales deeply, preparing for full bloom and harmoniously stretching the mountains and rivers. With the soft caress of spring rain, life no longer hides. Even romance reveals itself without hesitation. What was fragile becomes resilient, having experienced the watering. Thus, life, though slow, is steady. Hope, though faint, unwavering. There may still be fragments that can't be gathered. However, instead of patching them up, we let them go with the rain. After all, those who survived the harsh winter yearn for life's firm embrace. As always, sunlight follows the rain. It is never late, shining upon every growth. Beauty will set out on time, awakening tenderness along with fresh wildness. What has been healed returns to its former beauty. Life and rain are worthy of each other and love, both given and received, will endure as long as mountains and rivers stand.